Good morning, everybody. All right, today is Saturday, and if you had seen the video last night, we helped my buddy adjust his valve lash and try to set his ignition timing and found out that his idle air control valve was shitty and the car would just not stop idling above 1,000 RPMs. So this morning, it is early. I haven't even had my first cup of coffee, but we are on the road and we are in the wife's car. That's right. We are taking the Scion up to my buddy's work where he's gonna let me use some of his equipment to change some tires and just, you know, do the normal day-to-day type things that you have to do on vehicles. My wife drives a lot. She is a traveling like nurse's aide and stuff like that. So she goes house to house to help all the elderly people and stuff like that. So she puts a lot of miles on her car. In the last like year and a little bit over a year, or maybe even a little bit under a year, I'm not exactly sure how long, she's put 45,000 miles on her car. So the tires that we purchased in January a year ago are done. So I have two brand new ones sitting in the house in her tire size. So I'm gonna swap the worst ones with those while I order another two and everything, because I'm all about ordering tires. I'm sorry, big name tire shops, you ain't getting my money, no way, because you rip people off. But either way, so we're gonna run up to my buddy's work. He's gonna let me use his tire machine. We're gonna change a couple tires and you know, just that's about it. So I'm gonna get some coffee. I'm gonna get some little bit of breakfast or something, because it's early on a weekend and I kind of wish I was in bed, but I'm glad I'm up doing something and moving and being productive and all that. So yeah, stay tuned. You know, I try not to eat out that much and I always end up doing so. But when I want breakfast and I choose to go somewhere to get breakfast, I always love going to Tim Hortons. A lot of people want to say Starbucks has the best coffee or McDonald's or whatever. I really, really like Tim Hortons coffee. Don't know why. So here we are. We're gonna get some coffee. Probably gonna get a bagel, maybe a little sandwich. I don't know. Get a little fuel for the machine. You know, gotta put something in the stomach. But yeah. So we're gonna do that.
Morning. What can we get you today?
Yes, can I have a medium coffee with 1 cream, 1 sugar, and a egg white and turkey sausage sandwich on a English muffin?
And we actually no longer carry the turkey sausage. We do have deli turkey you can have hot on the grill if you like.
Yeah, that's fine. All right, guys, so we're here at my buddy's work and everything like that. We're just working on the wife's car and everything. So let me show you how bad these tires are, because they're hit, they're done. So these ones are pretty much worn. These are your wear bars. These tell you when you're at state minimum. They are done. So we're gonna change them up and everything like that. Get her rocking safe and everything so she can keep doing what she does. All right, guys, so we just finished the tires and everything like that, so Scion's looking good. Now, you know there's a problem when you're too low to get the damn lift out. So low life problems. We're gonna jack it up, get this out. I'm gonna return the car back to my wife. She'll be happy and we can move on with the other shit we gotta do today. All right, guys, we're officially done and everything like that. I'm so happy, thanks to my buddy, man, really coming in, like, I don't know how to say thank you enough, but letting me use a bay and letting me use a lift and tire machine and everything to get this simple process taken care of. Hopefully here in the future I'll be able to take care of it myself, because I am looking to buy a tire machine and balancer. But yeah, he really came through, helped me out and everything. I didn't film a whole lot because I was in a shop that like I knew nobody, and it was really awkward to be trying to record. Plus it's really loud if you're not in a shop, especially a shop that's doing business on the daily, not just a shop that's like chilling, hanging out and stuff. So they're all busy working on projects and stuff like that for customers and stuff. So it's really loud. So I didn't really film a whole lot, but yeah, so now we're gonna run an errand. I'm gonna stop at not Home Depot. I'm gonna stop at Home Depot and get some lumber and stuff like that. No, I always say shit I don't actually want to say. I don't know why. But we're gonna stop at Harbor Freight because it's their 3-day weekend. I'm gonna say I'm sorry to my wife now because she's probably waiting for me to get home, and I didn't tell her I'm going to Harbor Freight. I'm a bad husband, but I'm stopping there because it's on the way and I don't feel like driving an hour out of my way on any other day. Plus it's their 3-day sale for those, you know, for the Easter weekend. So we're gonna stop there. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, so we have made it to Harbor Freight. You know, the glorious, glorious parts store that everybody in the world loves. Harbor Freight. But yeah, it's their 3-day sale and everything is extremely busy. The parking lot's pretty packed. I'm not gonna bring you guys in with me. I'm just gonna go wander around, see if there's anything I can use some of these coupons on and any really good deals. Because you know me, I'm a budget deal kind of person. So, I'm gonna run in here, I'm gonna grab a few things, who knows, whatever, but then I'm pretty much gonna be heading home. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right guys, so we just got done at Harbor Freight, so that was pretty awesome. They had the 3-day sale on. I picked up some things that probably didn't really need, but saving money is always the, you know, the game. So if you can save money and you don't need it right this minute, when you need it, you're gonna spend a lot more. So I'll show you what I got when I get home and everything like that. One of them is for the wife's car, kind of. The RX-8, it'll help me out because right now the other ones I have are in use, and something else I got will just help me out around the shop because all the cars are low. So I'll show you what they are when we get home, but I'm on my way home. Nothing else really going on. Getting close to closing this video out. I'm just gonna update you with what I got when I get back to the garage, and yeah, we'll go from there. Oh yeah, more Harbor Freight goodies. That's right. Picked me up this 2-ton low profile extended jack. It was on clearance, like under $100. Couldn't pass it up. It's gonna come in handy on all the lowered cars trying to get them high. It goes up to, look at this, 23 3/4. That's like amazing. The highest one I have now is like 16 inches. So that's like, yeah, 8 inches higher. And then we picked up another engine stand because mine are all in use, and I really want to get the 2JZ on an engine stand so we can just start removing some random stuff, going through it, you know, prepping it for the RX-8, you know, changing a few things. But for now, one's in use down there, one's in use right there. But because of the 3-day sale they had going on, it was a 25% off one item coupon, so we picked that up for dirty cheap. So now I have another engine stand so that we can get 2J on it and everything like that, so that works out. And then we got low profile jack, which should come in handy with just dealing with all the vehicles because they're all pretty low. So yeah, that's about it for this video. You know, just nothing really fancy, just basically taking care of some business on the wife's car, doing some type of more routine maintenance. Got her some new tires and everything like that, so she's happy. We'll get 2 more and throw on a full set here shortly. I just had those lying around, so I picked the 2 worst ones and slapped them on there. It was really nice. Thanks to my buddy for letting me use the lift at the garage and everything like that. You know, I miss slinging tires and having a lift and tire machine and stuff. So I think I'm picking up a tire machine and balancer for the garage here soon, which I don't know where I'm going to put it yet. I'm going to be getting rid of some stuff or something, but either way, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to the video, cop a sticker, support the channel and everything like that. And I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.